What's up, honeycrunchers? Have you seen the newest Disney Channel original movie called Zombies? Well, today's nail art will be mainly inspired by Zed and Addison's cheerleading and football uniform. If you haven't seen Zombies yet, I recommend you to watch it, especially if you love and enjoy musical movies and zombies. Okay, so going back for the main purpose of today's video, let's get started. I applied a neon green base and I let them all dry. Next, get your dotting tool and apply white dots to your pinky and middle nail. Then, for the index and ring nail, apply a white polish at the tip of your nail like this. And also add white dots. Then paint the white ones with neon pink. Then for the thumbnail, I'll be painting a letter Z. Let it dry, then add a neon pink Z inside the white Z. Then let them all dry and apply top coat. And that's my Disney Zombies inspired nail art. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to share this video to your friends. And which song do you like the best in the movie Zombies? Mine is Someday. I love both ballad and pop version. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!